students, today we will do class 10 history lesson 1, the nationalism in Europe. In this chapter already we have done about the French Revolution, reforms or common identity feeling. Now we will do Civil Code of 1804, that was also known as Napoleonic Code. Napoleon had won conquer over all over the Europe. He had established a large empire and side by side he had introduced many reforms. He destroyed the democracy, as earlier we have done in 9th standard, how firstly constitutional monarchy was there, then Robespierre has made the government, republic they have made the government, then directory was there. All these government Napoleon had destroyed and he had established the monarch system again in the France in 1804. But he had made the administrative field more rational and efficient. So many reforms he had introduced. First of all, he had abolished the privileges based on birth. Whatsoever you are knowing the state system, they were giving the privileges based on the birth. Now he had abolished all the privileges which was given the France or European people by birth. He had established equality before law. Rule of law we are knowing. In our country we have established. Same thing he had given to the France during 1804. He had established equality before the law. Everybody is equal in front of law. Whether they are rich, they are coming from the high privileges caste, all were equal in front of law. He had abolished the feudal system. What was the feudal system? Like one jamidar system was there in our country. Same feudal system was there. One big landlord was there. So many tenants were working under them. That system was established in the France. He had abolished. Then serfs were doing the work under the jamidars, under the serfs. Then he has abolished that system. Manorial dues. So many big landlords were there. They were taking so many type of dues, taxes from the poor people, and he had abolished that system. He had abolished the guild restrictions. He had removed guild, you are knowing, the organization of traders. Firstly, traders were not making so many rules, regulations. They were having restrictions, and he had removed all the restrictions which monarchy has imposed on the guilds. Good transport system, communication system he has given to the French people, to the European people. Equal weight and measure system, standardized weight and measure system he had introduced in the France. He has given the uniform laws, common national currencies, national banking system to the France. He has given the right to private property. Under the Civil Code of 1804, Napoleon had introduced many reforms, and these reforms has made the Napoleon unforgettable figure in the France and Europe. I think it is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.